So you've got a little change in your pocket, things are going well, can't quite afford the Cadillac and the Chevys beneath you. So you're gonna go for a Buick. You're going Enclave, but not just any Enclave, you've decided to go all the way to Avenir. And you're not stopping there either. You're going Avenir with technology package.
Between 2007 and 2009, General Motors unleashed a bevy of new crossover SUVs, establishing it as a serious player in what was then the burgeoning three-row family hauler class. GMC Acadia, Buick Enclave, Chevy Traverse, Saturn Outlook, and Suzuki XL7. Now, some have died along with their brands. The Acadia was eventually redesigned to be smaller, leaving the Traverse and Enclave to carry the torch. Both still sell very well and were last redesigned for the 2018 model year and refreshed in 2022. This Enclave Avenir represents the pinnacle of the platform. Sporting a restyled, sharper front end, Evonic Acrolite LED light signatures for the daytime running lamps and tail lamps, that's plexiglass to you and me, a reimagined rear fascia with chrome trim, and this new Emperor Blue metallic paint, one of a trio of new paint choices. The Enclave Avenir looks more premium than ever. And with a $62,460 as tested price, it should. Splitting the difference between a Chevy and a Cadillac, Buick's market positioning makes the Enclave a solid buy for shoppers craving a touch of luxury without crossing too far into big money territory. The Avenir has also been given a bit more distinction inside, separating it from lesser trims with unique design elements and patterns. I love the choice of textured wood on the door inserts, for instance. This Enclave also benefits from more comfortable seat cushioning, a larger wireless charger for newer smartphones, and a new head-up display, among a host of enhanced driver assistance features such as rear pedestrian alert. The little 8-inch infotainment touchscreen is really the only conspicuous mark of an SUV with some miles on its odometer, while other signs of aging are more subtle. The Enclave is a legitimate 7-seater with impressive size through all 3 rows. The Smart Slide second-row captain seats provide easy access to the back, especially so on the passenger side, which also pitches forward, meaning an empty child seat can be left in place while moving it forward. Cargo room is equally as commodious, with over 97 cubic feet available with both rows folded flat. Even with the third row occupied, there's still plenty of space for all of your groceries. Power folding seats are a nice touch, but require some wrangling of the captain's chairs if they are positioned all the way back. Dual moonroofs substitute for a true panoramic roof, and the one in front has a manually operated shade. That's a no-no at this price. All Enclaves are backed by GM's venerable 3.6-liter V6, producing up to 310 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. In the name of efficiency, a 9-speed automatic transmission employs stop-start technology, but the EPA estimate for combined driving is a bit sobering: 20 mpg, the same as a Toyota Sequoia with more than double the twisting force. Despite that, the 440-mile driving range is notable. No turbo? No problem. This Enclave can hustle, and its powertrain is as smooth as its ride.
It's been a while since I've driven an Enclave, but the refresh has kept it fresh enough to prevent it from completely falling off of shoppers' radars. Along with the Traverse, GM still sells a couple of very solid 3-row crossovers here, though they are beginning to obviously show their age in certain areas, like this small center touchscreen. It drives very smoothly like a Buick should. It's also very quiet, and the sizing is very agreeable through all 3 rows. But a complete redesign is still a couple of years away.
Though it feels sizable from behind the wheel, there's a sense of confident control and a connection with the driver. Don't skimp on the $1,595 Avenir technology package, though, because it contains the Enclave's pièce de résistance, the premium suspension with variable real-time damping. It delivers the very refined, isolating ride you'd expect from a Buick, and a setup that's not available on lesser Enclave trims. Sourced from GKN, the Avenir's optional all-wheel drive system incorporates torque vectoring technology to help steer the vehicle, making on-road performance more stable and dynamic, as well as enhancing off-road capabilities. Plus, it contributes to fuel efficiency by providing a simpler all-wheel drive disconnect, driver selectable from a button on the dash when only front-wheel drive traction is needed. The Enclave can tow up to 5,000 pounds. Lexus has long since been known for its quiet cabins and plush rides, but Buick is right there on both fronts, providing a sense of calm and serenity for the entire family. Wireless phone projection highlights the features of the touchscreen, which also houses the 360-degree camera view, OnStar services, and built-in Amazon Alexa connectivity. The 10-speaker Bose audio system also incorporates active noise cancellation, mitigating unwanted low-end frequencies. Combined with Buick's quiet tuning engineering, the Enclave is indeed a place of respite. On the safety front, GM's unique safety alert seat vibrates to convey dangers. Adaptive cruise control with lane keep assist makes highway travel less taxing, and auto high beams are a small luxury not to be poo-pooed. If the Avenir sounds too lavish or expensive, note that a base front-wheel drive Enclave starts at $46,195 and packs the same powertrain. But much like Denali is to GMC, the Avenir sub-brand is for the customer who demands distinction. For TopSpeed.com, I'm Steve Hammis.